I mean, so sharp that you could probably shave with them. Probably shouldn't shave with them, but quite sharp right out of the box. Well, let's take a look at this Lathe Chisel Set that just showed up. These guys actually sent this to me to check out, so check it out we will. Nice wood handles. I like the box. Smells pretty good. You know, look at this 1 inch. Ooh, these come sharp right out of the box. You will not need to sharpen these ahead of time. Here's our 1/2 inch. Good long handles too. You choke up if you need to. There's a little bulb on the end. That's nice. I like this. Oh, look at that. 5/8. Very useful. Again, very sharp, each one of these. And I do like, on each handle, there's a little bit of a carve out here, so you're not completely smooth. Slip out of your hands. Pretty good grip on them. It's another 5/8. Look at that curved end there. That's wonderful. And look at how thick these things are. I mean, you are not going to bend one of these. I mean, maybe if you're the Incredible Hulk. This point, we don't look brittle here. We just look strong and stout. Looks great. Oh, here we go. Look at that. How handy. This is just a really good all-around kit. I said I'm not a professional woodworker or anything, but to have every one of these lathes in this kit, so useful. That was a 7/8. And then here we go. Last one, big old 1 inch. Great to have different sizes. Just, again, very nice, useful kit. Good storage box here. Keeps everything in place, not flopping around, getting all rowdy. And again, right out of the box, very, very sharp.